Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to lip sync in Higgsfield. Start by opening your browser and visiting the Higgsfield AI website. Sign into your account. After you enter the dashboard, go to the top navigation bar and click on the video section. From there, choose Lip Sync Studio. You will now see the main editing area. The first thing you need to do is select your model. You can choose a model such as King Avatars or any other model that is available. Select the one that best matches your project. Next, upload the image you want to use. This image will be the character that speaks in your video. For the best outcome, use a clear image where the face is visible and looking forward. Once the image is uploaded, add your audio file. Click on the voice upload option and select your audio from your computer. This recording will control the lip movement. The system will automatically sync the mouth of the character with the voice in your file. Now, go to the prompt section. In this area, describe the setting and style of your video. For example, you can mention that the character is talking in a professional studio or in a cinematic environment. Keep your description simple and direct so the AI can follow it easily. When everything is set, click on Generate Video. The platform will process your image, audio, and prompt to create the final result. Once the video is finished, preview it and download it to your device. Thanks for watching.